Good morning to everybody present here. Today is the most celebrated day, as you all know that nothing is more important than freedom of life. Today it is the freedom of nation on slavery and triumph of struggle of not handful of popular leaders like Gandhi and Nehru, but also many more noble sons and daughters of India. A new day has begun, and I am already so excited and privileged to start this auspicious day. Let me commence the program with a prayer. I request our chief guest, below High Prasad sir, to hoist the flag. Flag salute. Order. Request the chief guest to address the gathering.
Good morning, dears. Today we celebrate 74th Independence Day of our great nation. I convey my best wishes and greetings to all living and pray for their health, happiness, peace, progress and prosperity. On this august occasion, I wish to tell my dear fellow children a strong belief that strikes my mind. As children, you may be knowing the working culture of the office or company. Generally, people used to come and work there, they go home, as if it is their second home. Everybody believes that it is their second home. As time gone, one day, all the office employees reached the office and noticed an advice written on the notice board. What is that? It reads like this. Yesterday, the person who is obstructing your growth in this company passed away. All are invited to attend the funeral. In the beginning, everyone was sad about the death of their colleague. And later, some time gone, they came out from the sadness, and as usual, as you know, everybody got curious to know who is the person behind our growth stoppage, the person who is responsible for hindering the growth in the company. So everyone got curious to see the person who is responsible, who is obstructing our growth. As usual, barricades have been arranged to go in line. Everybody thought, at last, today, the person who is stopping my growth in the company, was died. So, let me say the thrilled employees, one by one, stood in line and went very close to the cafe to see the last courage of the passed away colleague. On seeing into the cafe, everybody was, to a surprise, everybody was astonished. They become speechless. They become speechless. Why? In the cafe, a mirror was kept. Everybody who is peeping through the cafe, who peeped into the cafe, who has seen the cafe, noticed their own image. As you all know, mirror is reflecting your own image. Everybody got surprised. So in the second lane, all of them are coming out from that point of cafe. So there was again one more advice, which reads like this. There is no one is responsible for your success. It is you. You are responsible for your success, happiness, and realization. Wholesomely, everything which comes to you is solemnly dependent on your attitude. You are the person responsible for your fate. Children, I want to say the most important thing in this contest. Somebody feel that if my teacher changes, my life will be changed. If our principal changes, my life will be changed. If I change the school, my life will be changed. You may be asking a question in mind in your faces. Sir, we are children, sir. We are students. Then what about the elders? The elders also think like that. They feel, if I change office, my life will be changed. If the boss is changed, my life will be changed. Everybody feels like that. No, it is not so. Life changes when you change. Whenever you change, then only your life changes. Whenever your thinking changes, then only your life changes. See, nobody is responsible for your life. So the changes take place from inside. Let me say one thing. You all might be knowing. See, an egg is broken from outside force. What happens? The embryo or the chick which is developing inside will die. If the same egg is broken out from inside force, imagine the life starts. Life begins. Isn't it? So, life begins. Great things begin. Always begin. Great things always begin from our inside. From our inside only. So, children, during this pandemic situation, COVID-19, all of you got more than enough time. So, utilize the time wisely, read well, think well, and do well physically, mentally, and take part in nation building. So it's time to conclude my speech. I thank from the bottom of the heart our beloved correspondent ma'am, our beloved principal, and our beloved Benjamin man, and everyone who is responsible for me to stand here. Thank you one and all. I am privileged. Thanking you. Jai Hind.
Thank you for the inspiring message, sir, that we follow.
वीर शहीदों के बलिदान को नहीं भूलेंगे. So now we have Madhusri of class 10th to give a short speech on Independence Day in Hindi.
नमस्कार. नमस्कार, आप सभी को स्वतंत्रता दिवस की शुभकामनाएं। मैं आपके सामने स्वतंत्रता दिवस के बारे में कुछ महत्वपूर्ण बातें बताना चाहती हूँ। भारत को ब्रिटिश हुकूमत से 15 अगस्त 1947 को आज़ादी मिली थी, यानी कि पूर्ण स्वराज। इस दिन हमारे प्रधानमंत्री श्री पंडित जवाहरलाल नेहरू जी ने आज़ादी के इस दिन को स्वतंत्रता दिवस मनाने का ऐलान किया था। इस साल 2020 को हम भारतवासी 73वां स्वतंत्रता दिवस मना रहे हैं। स्वतंत्रता दिवस एक ऐसा वातावरण है जहां किसी भी तरह की जोर जबरदस्ती ना हो और हर कोई अपने हक से रह सके। हमारे महान भारत सेनानियों ने कड़ी मेहनत और संघर्ष के बाद हमें आज़ादी मिली है। अगर यह ना होते तो आज भारत ब्रिटिश हुकूमत का गुलाम होता। हमारे महान सेनानियों हैं जैसे महात्मा गांधी, भगत सिंह, सरदार वल्लभ भाई पटेल, लाल बहादुर शास्त्री, लाला लाजपत राय, चंद्रशेखर आजाद आदि। इन लोगों ने कई वर्षों तक ब्रिटिश हुकूमत का सामना किया और हमें आज़ादी दिलवाया। इसीलिए हमारा कर्तव्य है कि हम अपने देश की रक्षा करें और अपने देश का नाम विश्व भर में रोशन करें। इसके लिए हमें अपने देश से घूस, काला बाजारी, जमाखोरी को समाप्त करना होगा। हम भारत के नागरिक होने के नाते हमें अपना देश की स्वतंत्रता का दुरुपयोग ना करें और दूसरों को भी ना करने दें। अच्छे कार्य करना और अपने देश को आगे बढ़ाना। जय हिंद।
Now, let's listen to an interesting Tamil conversation on India This Is Here Kondin Varalalu by Aishwarya of class 10 and Mohan Raj of class 8.
வணக்கம். அனைவருக்கும் இந்திய சுதந்திர தின நல்வாழ்த்துக்கள். நாடு முழுவதும் சுதந்திர தினத்தை கொண்டாடுகிறது. இந்தியா சுதந்திரம் பெற்ற 73 ஆண்டுகள் முடிந்துவிட்டது. இது 74வது சுதந்திர தினம். சுதந்திர தினம் என்றால் என்ன? 200 ஆண்டுகள் ஆங்கிலேய ஆட்சிக்கு நம் நாடு அடிமையாக இருந்தது. எத்தனையோ வீரர்களின் உயிர் தியாகங்களுக்கு பிறகு நாம் சுதந்திரம் அடைந்தோம். அதனால்தான் இன்று நாம் சுதந்திரமாக வாழ்ந்து கொண்டிருக்கிறோம்.
அப்படியா? நான் என்னவோ சுதந்திர தினம் என்று கொடியேற்றி இனிப்பு தருவார்கள் என்று நினைப்பேன். இப்படி ஒரு வரலாறு இருக்கிறதா?
சுதந்திர இந்தியாவின் அடையாளமாகவும் சுதந்திர போராட்ட வீரர்களின் உயிர் மூச்சு நம் இந்திய தேசிய கொடி. நம் இந்திய தேசிய கொடியை வடிவமைத்தவர் சுரையா பியாச்சி என்பவர் ஆகும். ஆனால் பொதுவாக பின்னணி வெங்கையா வடிவமைப்பதாக கூறப்படுகிறது.
நம் தேசிய கொடி ஏன் 3 வண்ணங்களில் இருக்கிறது?
காவி நிறம் பலத்தையும் தைரியத்தையும் குறிக்கும். வெண்மை நிறம் உண்மையையும் அமைதியையும் குறிக்கும். பச்சை நிறம் வளர்ச்சி மற்றும் பசுமையை குறிக்கும். நடுவில் உள்ள அசோக சக்கரம் வாழ்க்கை சுழற்சியை குறிக்கும் வகையில் அமைந்துள்ளது. தேசிய கொடியானது கதநூலால் மட்டுமே நெய்யப்பட வேண்டும்.
அப்படியா?
அது மட்டும் இல்லாமல் இந்திய தேசிய கொடியை கையாளும் வழிமுறைகளும் நமது சட்டத்தில் உள்ளன.
விழிப்புணர்வு என்றால் என்ன?
சுதந்திரத்துக்கான விழிப்புணர்வை மக்களிடையே கொண்டு செல்வதற்காக நாம் ஆகஸ்ட் 15ஆம் தேதி சுதந்திர தினத்தை இந்தியா முழுவதும் தேசிய விழாவாக கொண்டாடுகிறோம்.
போராட்ட வீரர்கள் பாடுபட்டு பெற்ற நம் சுதந்திரத்தை நாம் எப்படி பாதுகாக்கலாம்?
இந்த நாளில் நாம் அனைவரும் ஒன்று கூடி நமது நாட்டை ஊழலில் இருந்து விடுவிப்போம், தூய்மையான இந்தியாவை உருவாக்குவோம், பசுமையான இந்தியாவாக மாற்றுவோம் என உறுதிமொழி எடுத்துக் கொள்ள வேண்டும். ஜெய் ஹிந்த். நன்றி.
Let us rise up for the national anthem.
We now present you the slideshow to clear our mind that we are suffering a house arrest in the past few months. This is nothing compared to a child living in the British era.
Good morning, India. Our freedom fighters have gone through a lot of struggle to achieve independence. Let us start by knowing the struggle behind our independence. struggle of our leaders, a sea of patriotism is flowing in our hearts now. We all must cherish our history and protect our nation through unity. Jai Hind.
It makes my heart beat with pride to see the colors of Independence Day spreading happiness and great joys all around. So here's a speech on Independence Day in English by Vijay Nandana of class 10.
रत्नकारदौतपदां हिमालयकिरीटिनीं ब्रह्मराजस्य रत्नान्यं वन्दे भारतमातरम्. This sloka means that salute to my mother India, whose feet is washed by the sea, adored by the Himalayas, which possess Brahma Rishis and Raja Rishis. Good morning to my dear respected teachers and my dear friends. It is a matter of a pride for me to share my words of thankfulness and gratitude on Independence Day. We are all still indebted to the leaders who struggled for independence. Because of that, we are now a free and independent country. There were countless struggles, priceless sacrifices, and efforts of our great leaders. Thanks to that, we are now a strong, powerful, and independent country. There were many freedom fighters like Mahatma Gandhi, Jawaharlal Nehru, Bhagat Singh, Netaji, all struggled for the freedom of our country. Now, after many years, our country is in right track of development. Today, our country is a well-established democratic country in the world. But this does not take the huge responsibility that lies in our shoulder. The youth of the nation has the power to change the future of the country. So, we have to follow our duty to serve the nation and make the efforts to make our country better. Let me narrate you a small story about a father and a son. Once there lived a father and a son. The father loved the son so much. After work, he used to play with his son every day. But one day, since he had more work, he carefully looked around and took a magazine with a world map in it, tore it into small pieces, and asked his son to put it back together. About after an hour, the son came back, saying, "Okay, Dad, I completed. Can we play now?" The dad was surprised. "Amazing," the father said. Son replied, "Dad, it's just simple. I just put back the man who was in the behind page, and the world automatically fell into its place." Like this, nothing is easy to exhibit. We all have to. No, first I have to. Let me start from the country. No, it's very big. What about my town? No. My street? No. My family? Never mind, I better start with myself. Like me, every one of us has to take an effort to make changes in the country. East or west, India's the best. Vande Mataram, Vande Mataram, Vande Mataram. Thank you.
We are so happy that there is a ray of hope very close to us, that one day our country is going to awake to a freedom of light where there are no boundaries and limits.
Yeah, I agree with you that we should be thankful and appreciate the efforts of every single citizen of India who is facing the threat of virus but still standing strong with the hope that we will over this grim phase.
ఒకే ఒక్క దేశం ఓంకారమై నినదించింది. శాబాషియా 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 శాబాషియా.
Aren't you all nostalgic about our school, my dear friends? I know we are all not there, but still, it makes our day if we just take a quick peek. Let us see, along with India, how our school is going to fight Corona. Here's an Independence Day special for you.
एक दिया तुम्हारा और एक ला है मेरी, टल जाएगी काली रात अंधेरी.
नहीं मानेंगे।
हाँ, नहीं मानेंगे।
नहीं मानेंगे।
नहीं मानेंगे। हार नहीं मानेंगे।
जिनके रिश्ते गहरे गहरे होते हैं, उनके दोनों पंख
हार नहीं मानेंगे।
नहीं मानेंगे।
I can see all your cheerful smiles already. But do you think it's going to be like this forever? Let's see.
मुझे विश्वास है हर हिंदुस्तानी इस संकट का न सिर्फ सफलता से मुकाबला करेगा बल्कि इस मुश्किल घड़ी से विजयी होकर निकलेगा।
जय 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 हो जय जय से शहरों में रौनक आएगी, से गाँव में लौटेगी हंसी, फिर से साथ सारे यार होंगे, ना होगी पाबंदी ना रोक ही कोई, से सड़कों पे सब नाचेंगे, पटरी पे पहिए भागे, गूंजेंगे खेलों के मैदान, बांटेंगे हम खुशियां, गम भी हम मिलकर बांटेंगे, से होगी सपनों की उड़ान, जो साथ दे दे सारा इंडिया, फिर मुस्कुराएगा इंडिया, फिर जीत जाएगा इंडिया, सारा इंडिया, फिर मुस्कुराएगा इंडिया, सारा इंडिया, फिर मुस्कुराएगा इंडिया, साथ दे सारा इंडिया, मुस्कुराएगा इंडिया, जो साथ दे सारा इंडिया, मुस्कुराएगा इंडिया, इंडिया, मुस्कुराएगा इंडिया, जीत जाए इंडिया, फिर मुस्कुराएगा इंडिया।
National integrity plays an important role in making the country as one. This happens only by uniting every section of the society. So here is a skit in English on national integrity.
Hello children, good morning. So, what are your plans for tomorrow? Nothing much. Coming to school, enjoying assembly programs and going back home. Children, tomorrow is 15th August. It's Independence Day. Don't you know the importance of Independence Day? No.
Yes! It's India's birthday! Happy birthday!
Yes, India is free. A very special day.
Then it's a holiday for us!
No children, it's not a holiday. Does any of you know the reason why we celebrate this day as our national holiday regardless, right? What is that?
It's really important. You should know it, Lasya.
Yes, I'm proud to be an Indian.
Children, you should feel proud about our independent nation. This is your homework to find all about Independence Day, its significance and what it means for you.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay children, let's meet tomorrow. Good morning children. Wish you all a happy Independence Day.
Thank you, ma'am.
Children, have you collected the information about Independence Day? Great, let's start.
India is going to celebrate the 74th Independence Day on 15th of August. The date 15th of August from 1947 in India is very important day in the Indian history.
It was the luckiest day of year 1947 when India became independent after lots of hard struggle and sacrifices of the Indian freedom fighters. We won freedom after a hard struggle.
When India got its independence, the public of India had chosen their first Prime Minister as Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, who had unfurled the tricolored national flag at Red Fort in India's national capital, New Delhi, for the first time.
All the people rejoice this special day with great joy every year. On such a wonderful day, it becomes our moral duty to share Independence Day with all our loved ones to make them feel proud of their prosperous nation.
Children, let me tell you a short story. Listen. Once upon a time, there lived Ram, Raghvel and Rahim, who belonged to three different religions. During the summer season, ponds and rivers in the village dried up. The villagers had to travel to the neighboring villages for water. Rahim went to bring water from his neighboring village. He saw an ideal stone and being a Muslim, he carved it into a Muslim person performing namaz. Next day, Ram saw the idol and carved it into Lord Krishna. He made puja and left the place. Later, Rahim came to the spot and carved it into Jesus. Unfortunately, three people met at this place and started quarreling with each other for a long time. At that moment, another person came there and carved the stone into the statue of Mahatma Gandhi. Then all of a sudden they realized their foolish actions. Is this what our freedom fighters fought for? If you make the blood of the above three people and I ask you to pick the blood of Ram or Rahim or Rahim, it is an absolutely impossible one and a foolish action. So, let's stop quarreling and light the colors of this flag merge together in unity. Children, I hope you have understood the story now. Tell about the significance and three colors in the flag.
Saffron color represents the sacrifice, strength and courage.
The white color represents honesty, peace and purity. The Ashoka chakra represents dharma and love.
Green color represents the growth, fertility and auspiciousness of the land.
A flag, not only of freedom for ourselves, but a symbol of freedom to all the people.
స్వాతంత్రం లభించింది. అలాంటి స్వాతంత్రాన్ని కాపాడుకోవాలి. ఈనాటి బాలలే రేపటి పాలకులు కాబట్టి స్వాతంత్రాన్ని కాపాడుకోవాల్సిన బాధ్యత మనకి ఉంది అనే విషయం గురించి తెలియజేయటకు తేజారెడ్డి 8వ తరగతి నుండి వస్తున్నాడు.
శుభోదయం, అందరికీ స్వాతంత్ర దినోత్సవ శుభాకాంక్షలు. నేను ఈరోజు స్వాతంత్ర దినోత్సవం గురించి ఉపన్యసించబోతున్నాను. శతాబ్దాల తరబడి ఈ దేశం యొక్క స్వేచ్ఛ స్వాతంత్రాల కోసం తమ జీవిత సర్వస్వాన్ని ధారపోసిన స్వాతంత్ర సమరయోధుల దివ్య స్మృతి పదానికి అంజలి ఘటిస్తూ నాటి త్యాగాలు, నాటి బలిదానాలు నేటి తరం గుర్తించుకోని కారణంగా, సమాజం బాధ్యతను మరచిపోయిన కారణంగా ఈ దేశం 7 దశాబ్దాలుగా స్వాతంత్ర్య ఫలాలను అనుభవిస్తున్నప్పటికీ సమస్యను పరిష్కరించుకోలేక ఆకలిగానే మిగిలిపోయింది. అవిద్యగానే మిగిలిపోయింది. అశాంతితో, అభద్రతతో దేశం కష్టాలను అనుభవిస్తున్నది. దేశంలో సంపద లేక కాదు, దేశంలో చదువు లేక కాదు, దేశంలో సామాజిక వికాసం, సామాజిక చైతన్యం, సామాజిక సంవేదనశీలత ఈ దేశం నాది. ఇక్కడ ఉన్నటువంటి ప్రజలందరూ కూడా నా తోబుట్టువులనే విలాసమైన మమకారం జాతి జనుల లోపిస్తున్నది. ఒక టంగుటూరి, ఒక అల్లూరి, ఒక లాలా లజపత్ రాయ్ వీరందరూ కూడా దేశం కోసం తమ జీవితాన్ని త్యాగం చేయడానికి సిద్ధపడ్డారు. నాటి త్యాగాలను, నాటి బలిదానాలను ప్రజలు గుర్తు చేసుకుంటూ కాశ్మీర్ నుంచి కన్యాకుమారి వరకు, అటక్ నుంచి కటక్ వరకు కోట్లాది మంది భారతీయులు ఈ తల్లి వైభవాన్ని ప్రపంచ నలుదిశల వైపు చాటి చెప్పేటువంటి రీతిలో శాస్త్ర సాంకేతిక పరిజ్ఞానంలో, దేశ సరిహద్దుల పరిరక్షణలో, సామాజిక న్యాయం కోసం, సామాజిక సమానత్వం కోసం మనం మన రంగంలో పనిచేద్దాం. ఉజ్వల భారతాన్ని నిర్మిద్దాం. ఉన్నతమైనటువంటి జీవితాన్ని కొనసాగిద్దాం. ఇప్పుడు త్యాగాలక్కర్లేదు, బలిదానాలక్కర్లేదు. తోటి వారికి చేయూతను అందించగలిగితే, ఎదుటివారి కన్నీళ్లు తుడిచి ఆకలితో ఉండే వారికి పట్టెడన్నం పెట్టగలిగితే, కనీస పౌరుడిగా మారగలిగితే ఈ దేశంలో ఉన్న అన్ని సమస్యలకు పరిష్కారం చూపగలుగుతాం. వ్యవస్థకు మూలం వ్యక్తి. వ్యక్తి మారితేనే వ్యవస్థ మారుతుంది. సంస్కారవంతమైన దేశభక్తి పూరిత భావాలలో మనం జీవించగలిగితే ఈ దేశం సౌభాగ్యంగా, సుభిక్షంగా, సస్యశ్యామలంగా ముందుకెళ్తుంది. కావున విద్యార్థులైన మనము రేపటి దేశానికి పాలకులమై మన జాతి మువ్వెన్నెల జెండాను చేతబూని ఈ దేశానికే కాక ప్రపంచానికే జారి చూపుదాం. జై హింద్, వందే మాతరం, వందే మాతరం, జై భారత్.
Indian diversity always glorified our Indian culture in the world. Various languages, food, music, dance, dressing styles added to the aura of the nation. We are proud that these diversities are like pearls in a string which beautify the nation and hold them together.
They were never a hindrance in development and prosperity of the nation. When there is a need, we stood together and faced the threat, but never let the situation handle in the achieving the set goal.
ఏ దేశమేగినా ఎందుకాలిడినా పొగడరా నీ తల్లి భూమి భారతిని. मेरी आबाद रहे तो, मैं जहाँ रहूं जहाँ में याद रहे तो, वतन मेरे वतन, वतन मेरे वतन। मेरे वतन आबाद रहे तो। तेरी सांसों पे थोड़ा सा वतन का भी हक था। ना देख मुझे यूं मुड़ मुड़ के, तेरा मेरा साथ यही तक था। ये तेरी ज़मीं तेरे खून से ही तो सजती संवरती है राज। तेरे इश्क की मैं हकदार नहीं, तेरी हीर तो धरती है रांझे। तेरी मिट्टी में मिल जावा गुल बन के, मैं खिल जावा, इतनी सी है की आरज़ू। तेरी नदियों में बह जावा, तेरे खेतों में लहरावा, इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू। जावा तेरी फसलों में लहरावा, इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू।
everybody who's watching me right now. I feel it's my privilege to propose the vote of thanks and acknowledge the contribution of those who worked very hard for making this online Independence Day happen. Firstly, I thank our correspondent ma'am, without whom this event wouldn't have happened. Our principal sir has worked a lot for making this event successful, and I also thank our vice principal ma'am for her guidance and helping hand. Let me also thank the social and English department teachers, all the students involved in the program, the editing team, and each and every parent for their immaculate efforts for making this program execute. Your impeccable efforts will further glorify the name of the school, not only in Chittoor, but beyond that. Thank you.
देश से है प्यार तो हर पल ये कहना चाहिए, मैं रहूं या ना रहूं भारत ये रहना चाहिए।